Hello engineering students. In this video lesson you're going to be learning how to draw a simple hammer. So grab a sheet of graph paper, a pencil, and a ruler. And where I have these dots, I want you to place very light dots. Don't do it like this. This is just so you can see it on the video, how it's laid out and how to start. So in the middle of your paper, you'll draw this rectangle here. And it is 3, so 1, 2, 3 units by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 units tall. So 3 by 11, and you'll draw that very lightly. And then you'll have this 1 by 3 extended out, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's centered on the rectangle here. And then you have a rectangle that is, I think this is 21 units in length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm sorry, 24. So that's 24 in that direction. This is 3, 4, 4, 3, and this is 11. Okay, so take a moment to sketch out the blocks that you see here. So it should be very light, like you see in this example. You can barely see the lines, but it's all blocked out the way I need it blocked out to show you how to then create the hammer in this sketch. Okay, so now that you have it blocked out, we're going to start adding some curves to make it look like a hammer. And we're going to start with this section here. So the hammer is going to have kind of an arc in these corners, like little arcs, vertical lines. And then from this point right here, we're going to do a curve and another arc. Okay, let me zoom in here so you can see that. Little arc, straight line, little arc, straight line. Okay, take a moment to pause and catch up. We repeat very similarly on the other side, but not as drastic of an arc. Just like that. And then we have, it's 3 units tall, this vertical line here. And then we have a curve going like this towards that corner. To then add this line here with an arc right here, arc right here, like that. Okay, again, reminders, if I'm going too fast, pause and replay and watch, and then you try. Okay, and then we're just going to keep continuing this drawing here, and then right here in this section we're going to arc it so that we create the pointy part of the hammer. We're going to come out a little bit further, just like so. Okay, and this is okay if it's like sketchy or a little rough. Okay, and what I'm doing now is just making my object lines a little darker, a little more bold, and emphasize them a little bit. And then for the handle part, let me zoom out a little bit. For the handle part, so the handle, it's not going to start right here. It's going to go in a little bit and curve outwards like that on both ends by 2 units like this. And then it'll just be nice straight lines going to the end there, and then arc, straight line, arc, and then the bottom line gets a nice straight line. Now most hammers don't actually look like that, but this is a basic, very simple, straightforward sketch that we're trying to attempt here. Okay, once you have nice object lines, they're dark object lines, and it looks, has a very good proportionate shape that obviously looks like a hammer. What we're going to do is we're going to add some hatching to make it pop out of the page and make it a little more 3D, three-dimensional. So right here in this little section, we're just going to add some hatching lines, like so. In this area right here, we're going to add some hatching lines upward like that. Some hatching lines right here. And here's a new technique that we haven't really seen in other videos. We can just add like an accent line here and here. We can add like kind of like a squiggly accent line right here. Same for right there. Hatched lines a little more bolder and less right there. And then for the handle, we'll hatch all along the bottom and try to keep these uniform and a little curvy. They're about half a unit tall. And that's it. There you have it. A basic hammer sketch. So again, if you missed some of the steps or you need to rewatch and replay it, please do that. Take a moment to erase any of your guiding lines. If you have any smudges anywhere, try to get rid of their smudges. And of course, again, you can annotate. So handle, I highly encourage. This is the hammerhead. Highly encourage you to annotate all of your sketches.